Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening, or actually for the weekend. In math, there is no homework. Starting next week, we will get into some new lessons and have another round of Moby Max. In science, both classes, we need to finish our element presentation over the weekend. Remember, you will be presenting these in class starting Monday. You are not allowed to do a homework pass for this assignment. In social studies and language arts, there is no homework for the weekend. In literature, remember, half of our points are due 10 days from now. That's Monday, November 11th. We also have a vocab test over seed folks. That is next Friday. You can use Quizlet, which can be found in your Google Classroom, the link to help you study. Also, just one last reminder. This weekend, daylight savings time ends, so make sure that you do set your clocks an hour back. Everyone have a fantastic Friday, have a fantastic weekend, and stay warm out there.